Almost every patient I meet has tried at least one home remedy which is recommended by someone. That might be turmeric milk, hot compressions, or even Google approved creams or the tablets given by neighbors. Sometimes, by luck, these remedies definitely work. But in some cases, it just delays the right treatment and delays your healing or even worsens the situations. So today, let's talk about very important question, that is where to draw the line in between home remedies and when to seek the treatment. Hi, I'm Dr. Swarda Ambadekar, General Surgeon and Proctologist. I help patients for their anorectal disorders. So in this video, I'm going to break down few points. When home remedies are safe and helpful. Second one is when home remedies are risky and delaying the real care you need. Third one is the red flags you must never ignore. And fourth one is how to balance both the approaches as per your condition. So let's discuss. So why do people prefer home remedies? Let's be honest, we all love simple, quick, cost-effective and easy solution. But here is the truth. Home remedies work fine when you have mild or short-term issues. They don't work on very long-standing conditions. For example, having sudden onset of constipation after having heavy food is very common and can be easily treated with home remedies. But if you have long-standing constipation history and it is not getting cured even by home remedies, then you need to seek treatment as early as possible. Second example would be mild burning sensation. Mild burning sensation at your anal region might reduce just by application of coconut oil. But if you have long-standing burning sensation which is not reducing by the home remedies and you are also experiencing bleeding along with the burning sensation, then you again have to consult for expert. All the home remedies are supportive treatment, but that is not the cure. That's what you need to remember whenever trying to apply home remedies on your body. Now let's discuss the red flags you should never ignore. As a surgeon, I tell my patients that home remedies are fine until you see any of these symptoms. First is any kind of bleeding during or after passing motions. This is a red flag. Second one is any kind of swelling which arises right after passing motions. It might be hard in nature or it might be soft in nature. Third one is any kind of swelling which is hard and has history of fever along with that swelling. Third one is any kind of discharge or pus from your anal region is a medical emergency. Please seek help as early as possible. Last and very important, any kind of pain, burning sensation or any discomfort at your anal region which is not reducing even after 24 to 48 hours is a red flag. You need to seek treatment after 24 hours of your pain onset. Now how to combine both the approaches. Here is how I'll recommend to combine both the worlds to get the maximum results. Start with simple home measures, which are hydration, maintaining high fiber diet, resting for adequate amount of time, and maintaining basic hygiene. Observe for 24 to 48 hours. If the situation is getting worsened or any new symptom occurs, then you need to seek the treatment as early as possible. So my advice is very simple. Don't fear doctors, fear the complications which might occur if you delay the process. If you found this video helpful and knowledgeable, please share this video as much as possible and please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.